Hello everyone, I bought 3 new plants online at Botanical from Norwich, and because I had such a good success last time I bought plants there. So I just wanted to show you what amazing cute plants I bought, and one of them is a present for Stana, so very exciting also for the cameraman. Woo. So let's see what I got. Ooh. So, I'm trying not to make a mess this time. This is gonna be the present for Stana, so we're gonna do it last. Love the purple packaging. Ooh, I think oh yes. This is a Crassula manuana. Oh, the cute. So I think this is probably the new growth, and you can see like these red patterns here. But I think it's such a cute plant, especially for these like chubby triangles. Very happy with that. So I'm sure there's another one in there. This time I should check where the pot is to open it up the right way. This is a Peperomia pixie. Ooh, look how cute. Can you see this detail? It's light green leaf with these darker green marks. It's like this slight yellow undertone to it. Very beautiful. So now it's time for Stana's present. Let's hope he likes it. So both the smaller ones were like under 4 pounds, so quite affordable for good quality plants. And now let's look at the biggest one. Double packaging. Here we are. Wow! So I think it's called golden fern. A golden zebra fern. So I think the older leaves are a little bit darker, and the younger leaves are a little bit lighter. It's lighter green. It's very beautiful. Well, do you like it, Stana? Maybe that's the more important question.
I think it's very pretty.
That's what I want to hear.
I like the leaves when they have this sort of like stripy colorness to them.
Okay, that's it from me today. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.